Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Builderall? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom account to your Builderall anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and maybe you're selling consulting services, you can connect your Zoom account to Builderall. So that way when someone schedules an appointment with you, it's automatically going to create a Zoom link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Zoom account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Build. It looks like a light bulb. Once you do that, you're going to click on Build a Booking Calendar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up here on the left, and you want to click on Integrations. Okay, once you click on Integrations, you're going to click here, Create New Integration. Okay, after you do that, you're going to look for the Zoom logo, and then click on Sign In with Zoom. Okay, next Zoom's going to open up the browser, so you want to go ahead and log into your Zoom account with your email and password to your Zoom account. Okay, next Zoom's going to warn you that Builderall is asking these permissions from your Zoom account. If you're okay with that, click on the blue Allow button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Zoom account is now linked to my Builderall account. So now what I can do is I can go over here to my calendars. Okay, here you're going to see all of your calendars that you set up, and choose the calendar that you want to connect your Zoom to. So for example, this one, and click on the pencil icon. All right, once you do that, scroll down until you see automation. All right, once you're there in automation, go ahead and scroll down to meetings, and then click this button here, enable meetings. Once you do that, you want to click on the Zoom button. Next, you're going to go ahead and choose the Zoom account that we just connected. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and scroll to the bottom. All right, once you're down here at the bottom, click on save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Zoom account is linked into this particular calendar, and I can go into my other calendars and connect Zoom as well. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Builderall account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.